the University for Degree Apprenticeships. At the University of Derby, we offer apprenticeship programs from Level 2 to Level 7, covering everything from foundation degrees to master's qualifications. Key benefits for your organization: attract and keep great talent. Apprentices bring new ideas, and you can develop your current staff into experts, boosting productivity and performance. Affordable. Thanks to government support and the apprenticeship levy, apprenticeships are cost-effective. On average, apprentices add £11,000 in value each year. Hands-on learning. 80% of the training is practical, helping fill skill gaps and improve your business. Prepare for the future. Customize training to your needs, ensuring your team is ready for what's next. Improved strategic thinking. Informed decision-making aligned to business goals. Enhanced problem solving. 65% of apprentices state they are better equipped to tackle workplace challenges. Efficient change management. Leaders equipped to navigate business changes effectively. Why choose the University of Derby? Highly recommended. 92% of employers love our programs. Collaborative approach. We work closely with you to make sure apprentices get the perfect mix of knowledge and practical skills. Support every step of the way. Apprentices get online resources, tutor support, and regular check-ins to stay on track. Expertise. Our strong academic background helps apprentices make a real difference in your business. Matchmaking service. Need help finding candidates? We'll assist with recruitment and even guide you through events like open days to connect with the right talent. Funding made easy. Levy employers. Fund apprenticeships through the apprenticeship levy. Non-levy employers pay just 5%, with the government covering the rest. Employers who hire apprentices aged 16 to 21 can access full funding. Let's get started. Investing in degree apprenticeships drives business success, boosts talent retention, innovation, and long-term growth. Interested in learning more? Contact us today. Your next top team member could be just an apprenticeship away.